How good is our PPF warranty? Well, I'm going to tell you. Not all warranties are the same. So with all the services we offer, we provide a warranty, and if anything were to go wrong, you bring it back to us. PPF, we do that, but it's got a bonus warranty on top. Because we're an Xpel dealer, the film comes with a 10-year warranty, and that is backed up by Xpel themselves. So if it was ever inconvenient for a customer to bring it back to us and they were to have a problem, then they can take it to any other Xpel dealer. That's what's happened to this beautiful Rolls-Royce Dawn. First owner had it PPF local to them at an Xpel dealer down in London. This customer has now bought the vehicle and he's noticed a couple of faults with it. He's contacted Xpel. He didn't know about us because he's never had PPF before, and Xpel have pointed him in our direction, and now Xpel will be paying us to rectify this, and this entails on this vehicle replacing the whole front bumper. We just thought we'd do a quick little video, show you that. We're now going to show you pulling the film off and reapplying the new one, and then the vehicle can get back to the customer and he can get on his merry way.